Welcome to our new video. So today's question is maximum point you can obtain from a cards. There are several cards arranged in a row and each card has an associated number of points. The points are given in an integer array card points. In one step, you can take one card from beginning or from the end of the row. You have to take exactly k cards. Your score is the sum of the points of the cards you have taken. Given an integer array card points and an integer k, return the maximum score you can obtain. So let's take an example of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 and k equals to 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and I think there was 1 and k equals to 3. So what this case telling that you have 3 steps and there is one condition that you can only take from beginning or from end. So let's suppose you can took 1, then you can also take this one. If you've taken this one, now you can take 2 or you can take 6. Suppose you took 6. So what is the sum now? Sum is 8. This is one case. Second case, what can be possible? That 1, 2, 3. What is the sum? 6. What other case can be possible? 5, 6, 1. Which is 12. What other case can be possible? 1, 2 and 1, which is 4. Similarly, 1 and 6, 1 is 8. These are the possible cases in k equals to 3. 1 plus 2 plus 1. 4 can also become by this 1, 1, 1, 2, 1. Okay. So what can be the approach? We can take this approach only. Suppose firstly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. You took 3 from here and 0 from here. Then you can take 2 from here, 1 from here. Then you can take 1 from here, 2 from here. Then you can take 0 from here and all the 3 from here. So let's try to follow this approach. Suppose initially you took a left sum equals to 0, right sum equals to 0 and total sum here. So total sum initially is 0. Now let's take all the, if k equals to 3, let's take all the elements from the left, starting from the left. Let's take one L, one R. Initially left sum is sum of all the 3, which is 6. So initially sum is 6. Sum is 6. Okay. Now we will take this window 1, 2 and 1. So how can we do it? Now left sum becomes 6 minus 3. This is total sum. We will decrease this sum. 6 minus 3 is 3. And right sum we will increase by adding this one. Now total sum is 4. Similarly, now we will reduce window from left. Sum is 3 minus 2, which is 1. And increase the right window sum, which is 1 plus 6, 7. Total sum is 8. Now also decrease this sum. Now left sum becomes 0. Right sum increases to 7 plus 5 equals to 12. Total sum is 5. Out of this, which is maximum? 12. So this is our solution. How to code this? Let's code this. To code this, let's make initial sum equals to 0. Then for loop int I equals to 0 to I equals to less than k. We will take initially from left the till kth steps. So sum increases to k plus card points I. This is the initial sum. Now int. Now we will make a for loop from I equals to 0 to I equals to less than k, I plus plus K steps we'll do. Suppose this is left pointer. Suppose this is left pointer, which is initially at k minus 1, and it will be removed till k greater than or equal to 0. How? See here. Initially L is here, which is 0, 1, 2, 2, 1, 0. Greater than or equal to 0. Let's take this left sum. Initially is left sum initially sum, and right sum. We'll make the left sum and right sum inside the for loop, and it is equals to sum we can do like this also. Suppose outer loop is for left pointer, and we will take one more pointer towards right, which is n minus 1. What is n? N is size of card points array. Which is this. See, initially r is at n minus 1. If the size of array is n, then n minus 1 is the last index. So initially r pointer is at n minus 1. Initially sum was so we will make an int max sum also, which is initially sum. Now decrease the size of left sum. New left sum becomes sum minus card points L, and right sum becomes sum plus. Initially right sum was 0 actually, so we'll declare it outside only, and left sum is sum and right sum is 0 initially. So now it becomes right sum equals to, and it will be sum left sum, and it will be right sum plus card points of R. Now we have done two steps, left sum and right sum. Now total sum will be max sum will be max sum, comma, left sum plus right sum, left sum plus right sum. Okay, now we will decrease the left pointer, which is decreasing the outer for loop, and we'll also decrease the right pointer. Now we will return the maximum. Time complexity is big of n. You can clearly see one for loop, big of k for this for loop and big of k for this for loop. So total is big of 2k, and space complexity is big of 1. So let's run this. Submit this. See, it is submitted. Thank you. We will meet in the next question. Till then, goodbye.